Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today, we have another viewer's request to craft a version of American Girl's Truly Me birthday party set. This playset is absolutely adorable. We love the pink ombre cake, pink party plates, and pink lemonade drinks. We did our best to recreate the party set using easily available materials and tools. It was fun to make and the perfect addition to our dollhouse. So, let's get making! To start, you will need cardboard and a lid. We took ours from an empty spray can bottle. It has a 6.5 centimeter diameter. Trace the cap 4 times for each layer of the ombre cake. You will need 12 in total. Now cut them out. To help stay organized, we have labeled each piece for the 3 stacks. Trace and cut your lid on computer paper. Fold it in half, then half again, then half once more. Now we have a template for perfect slices. Trace this template on each cardboard disc. It helps to also label the slices. We have an A and B slice. We also numbered each layer 1 through 4 to keep them in order. Now cut out each slice. Once all your pieces are ready, use glue stick to adhere them. We were very generous with the glue. Following this, we need to cover the exposed edges. Cut a thin strip of computer paper. Ours is 1 centimeter wide. Using liquid glue, cover the paper, then affix it to the open cake as shown. And to each cake slice. Time to paint the light, medium and pink sections of the cake. Here we have made a palette of pinks. It takes a few coats over the computer paper to become fully opaque. For the fondant on top of the cake and the cream layers between, we are using white fun foam. Take the same lid as before and press it firmly into the fun foam. You will need 3. Carefully cut them out. Just as we did earlier, use your slices template and mark this on the foam with a toothpick. Cut it out. We used Elmer's school glue to assemble the cake. Begin with the darker pink layer and glue the white fun foam on top. Next, glue on the mid-tone pink section, more fun foam, the light pink layer, and finally the top white piece. Do the same for the slices. Cut a rectangle of fun foam that is the same height as the cake and can wrap around it. Measure and cut the rectangle to fit just the open cake, and also the outer edges of each slice. Adhere generously with liquid glue. It really helps to use low-tack tape to keep the foam in place while drying. To mimic the cake decorations, we Google searched American Girl star logo and printed off a variety of colours and sizes of stars. Simply cut and glue them on. Here we have a star tip and pink deco cream to make the scalloped cream on the cake. Practice on scratch paper first. When you are ready, pipe the deco cream along the seam where the top layer of fun foam joins the side wall. When making scallops for the bottom of the cake, place your piece on a non-stick surface such as baking paper or a plastic pocket. Allow at least 12 hours for the deco cream to fully dry and harden. While waiting, we can get to work on the party plates. Take hot pink cardstock and a punch or stencil to trace circles. Cut and glue two together. To give the plates dimension, we will press our cardstock into the lip of this condiments lid. Use a bone folder or even your thumb and push the paper into the indent. The more pressure you apply, the more dimension you get. You could stop here, or to better match the AG plates, you can print off more little stars and glue them on. Covering them in clear contact will help the plates last longer during playtime. For the party cups, we used Totally Rudy's large coffee cup template. I'll leave her link in the description box. And a packet of small corks bought from the dollar store. Trace the cup on white poster board, then cut out. Next, wrap the poster board around your cork. This will help coax the paper to curl in the desired shape. Now use glue to adhere the cup to the cork and close the back seam. Cover the bottom of the cup with circles of poster board. For added decoration, print, cut and glue more little stars. If you like, you can fill the cup with hot glue for lemonade. Squeeze enough glue to cover the cork, then very carefully press in a circle of pink paper. Add more hot glue on top and the drink will take on a pink tint, just like the pink lemonade in the set. To make the cake topper, we used wood die cuts and a barbecue skewer. Cut the skewer down to 5 centimeters, then sand the rough top smooth with an emery board. Put a line of hot glue on the back of your die cut, then attach the skewer. We chose to spray paint our piece gold. From gold foil cardstock, make a large cake plate in the same way as we did our paper plates. You can also dry emboss the back side of the cardstock with a stylus tool for the extra star detail. That's it! Our birthday set is done. Now the dolls can celebrate with delicious pink ombre cake and lemonade. Should your dolls want to take photographs, click the link in the top right of screen for the Instax Mini 9 tutorial. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to Always Dolls for more miniature crafting fun.